Hey guys, this is Nick Brown at JTech today, and today we're going to be going over DTC codes, diagnostic troubleshooting codes. Basically what this video is going to show is I'm going to be using my our handheld Genesis test reader, and we're going to be using a J1939 plug. Okay. Basically what you want to do is you want to start off with the key on. Go ahead, flip the key on, dash lights up. Now, real quick, I want to show you guys something. On this plug, way down in here, this is the plug for the actual truck itself. Some of these pins in here, when it plugs into that, some of these pins are not being used. Okay, that doesn't really mean anything, but one thing I wanted to point out was sometimes when you plug your diagnostic troubleshooting code reader into this plug, sometimes you can get kind of a connection, somewhat of a connection error. So what I wanted to point out to you guys is in this plug, according to the manufacturer specification, actually there is a sort of kind of a schematic for it, or a label for it, for this plug, to show that where the positive and negative, this plug actually gets its power going into this plug. Okay. Now, when you're having a communication problem between the diagnostic DTC scanner and the plug, okay, that could mean, what's to say, you're getting your engine control module, you're getting your ABS module, or vice versa. What's to say, you're getting your engine control module, but you're not getting your ABS control module. Okay. Now, how this schematic is set up is sort of kind of set up like a ladder. Okay. We have, on each end of that ladder where it's closed off at, you have this, you have the control modules in between. You have your engine control module and you have your ABS control module. Now this isn't the whole truck. This is just a part of the truck. Okay. Let's just say you're getting your engine control module. You're getting communication between your engine control module and your GTC scanner, but you're not getting your ABS module. On each side of that ladder, as I was saying, there's a resistor on each side with a, depending on the manufacturer specification, depends on the resistance of each resistor. Normally it is 60 ohms on each side of that ladder. Now what you're going to do, if you want to make sure you don't have a communication code inside the wires inside here that are going up into the truck, you can take your voltmeter and find out positive and negative, positive and ground, and measure for ohms with the truck off. Okay, measure for ohms. 60 ohms, two resistors. Okay, if I'm getting 60 ohm resistance, this is in a parallel circuit, so therefore I should get 60 ohms right here at the plug. Now let's just say I'm getting 120 ohms. Therefore, that one of those resistors would be bad on one side, which therefore would break our communication on that side of the circuit from all those control modules versus these control modules that are actually getting communication with the DTC scanner. Okay? So that's how to troubleshoot that part of the system. Alright, the next thing I want to show you guys in this video is you go ahead and you plug in your plug, it just snaps in, and then you just twist the connector. Don't twist the whole plug, you will break it. Okay, and turn your DTC scanner on, and go ahead and scroll through the plugs, scroll through the settings. We're going to be doing scan diagnostics. You have all these other diagnostic codes right here, or diagnostic procedures right here. Okay. Go to heavy duty. That's about it. 9-pin DOIS connector. Let it load. Nine-pin DOIS. Alright, in this case we're doing the 1939 can. We're going to go to electrical. Gonna go to engine. You can, now here's the thing, not necessarily run DTCs on this. You can look at the data stream, you can look at your custom data stream according to what the driver wants. You can also look at the diagnostic troubleshooting codes, which is what we're going to be looking at. Then you can look at files from the past. In this case, go ahead and send our data stream.
To be honest, if you look that up, actually,
Alright, in this case, basically you want to have the engine running.
as long as you got your Genesis video, whenever you did like third 1 or third 2, we did the code reads on it, as long as you got that one.
Alright, now we're going to diagnostic troubleshooting codes.
He's the one that got institutionalized.
Gonna go ahead and read codes. On a side note, guys, when you get done, what's to say you get done diagnosing a code problem? What's to say a coolant temperature sensor was recorded from the ECM voltage high throughout the coolant temperature sensor. Okay. Best thing to do is once you fix that problem, best thing to do is go back in and then clear the code, or else the engine light's going to stay on. Okay, so we got a code here. Okay, our first diagnostic troubleshooting code. Borrow pressure. I don't know if you guys can see that. Fault mode. Voltage above normal or shorted high. So basically, that means somewhere in the barometric pressure sensor, which is the atmospheric pressure sensor, somewhere is getting high voltage somewhere, okay? So it's getting voltage somewhere where it doesn't need to, so therefore it's basically on a cat harness. Basically this truck is powered by a C13 Caterpillar C13 engine, okay? 5 volt reference, so we're getting more than 5 volts. So definitely the power is going somewhere where it shouldn't, therefore causing the high voltage throughout the system. Okay. Alright, so with that, guys, that's just how to look up codes basically with a handheld tester. Okay, once you get done, you power down the code reader, unplug it, make sure it's unplugged all the way, make sure you didn't damage any pin connectors inside here, or else the next person that goes to plug this in, it will get a connection error. Also, turn the key off, turn the truck off, okay, make sure everything is all good, so make sure the batteries don't die. Alright, so with that, guys, that's how to run DTC codes on a handheld Genesis tester. So with that, we'll see you guys later.